Our greenhouse did amazing this year, but before we get into that, we're gonna take you through our Survival Seeds final video. Okay, so we're over in the Survival Seeds garden now. Having the Survival Seeds garden really has two purposes, because this isn't the only place we grew these specific plants. We grew the same peppers, same tomatoes in Bunky's garden. And we grew.
Bunkies, we didn't do much.
I didn't do anything.
Yes, you did.
Like nothing.
No, yes, you did.
I didn't touch
Yes,
any dirt.
yes, you did.
Yes, she did. I didn't do anything.
But we actually grew the.
I'm not gonna deny it.
We grew a lot of the same plants in Bunky's garden, but we kept the survival seeds for two reasons. Over here, so this is on the other side of the vineyard. It is so windy out, and I just took a shower. My hair's still wet. We put the survival seeds garden on the other side of the vineyard from Bunky's garden, so that the plants over there, like the jalapenos, don't cross-pollinate with calendar peppers over here, so that at the end of the year we can save the seeds and not have to. That's corn, but it's not peppers. But we don't have to worry about them cross-pollinating and not producing. None of those are pepper seeds.
Do the pumpkin.
Yeah. And the other reason is because we wanted to show that you don't need a ton of room. My arm is falling asleep. You don't need a ton of room to be able to grow a good garden. So here's what we had this year. So this was our kidney bean plant. We still got a couple on here, a second harvest worth. But we already harvested them. Give me the kidney beans. We already harvested them and collected the seeds so that we can plant them next year. And you can shake this, and it sounds very nice.
Okay, you should shake it while it's open, and then
You should not do that. Sounds very satisfying. So we had the kidney beans. The sun, it came out. Look how happy she is. So we had the kidney beans. They did great. This was the squash, and the squash was looking good, but then we had our frost. We still do have a flower on it, but I kind of doubt it's going to do anything. It's like the 20th of October. He's not going to make it.
Maybe we can make a mini pancake.
One singular pancake with one singular flower in it.
Look at our pepper
Oh, she picked it before I
harvest.
didn't have the camera on it. Okay, so this is our pepper. This is our Calwonder pepper. The plants did really well. She got another one. The plants did really well, and we saved this one on there for a while without picking it because we wanted to harvest the seeds from that. So we're gonna do that later.
Yeah, there's a couple flowers in this
It's
thing.
so pretty.
This is the beans.
This is the beets, and we're gonna leave these beets. We're gonna leave them. Don't pull it. What are you doing? We're gonna leave the beets here over winter and see if they go to seed next year, because we got our beets from the other garden and we want to see how well these do. This was the tomato plant, and the tomato plant did really well, considering that halfway through the year it had no leaves whatsoever, like zero.
Yeah, it's genuinely impressive.
I'm very impressed with how well it did, despite being so small. And we have some green tomatoes on there, so we might do something with those.
This was the corn.
This was the corn. We get the corn seeds. Get the corn seeds. We got one good thing of corn from it, even though there were 3 growing. Only one of them really went.
Look at how many corn seeds.
So we got one whole thing of corn seeds, and we can grow way more corn next year. And here's the onions. Don't leave it. Leave it. Don't pull it out.
Wait.
Don't pull it out. Don't pull it out.
Look at that one.
Yeah, that one did really well.
There's a
They got pretty big. We're gonna leave these two.
Why?
Because I doubt it. I doubt they will, but there's a chance that they might go to seed next year. Don't poke it. There's nothing else we can do with it. They're slimy anyway.
And this was our pumpkin.
And this is our pumpkin. The singular pumpkin that we did lose for like a month. But we found it in the garage.
You may have heard about it in a live stream, but we did in fact lose the pumpkin for a month, and then we were worried we were going to find it when it started rotting. But we did find it, and it ripened. So.
Yeah, and it's beautiful.
And I caught that, and you're
And
impressed.
we also had cantaloupe seeds, I think.
Yeah, this is cantaloupe seed.
So that's the survival seeds harvest.
No. Let me clarify. The cantaloupe, stop it, was not part of the survival seeds, but these are the best cantaloupe. It's not cantaloupe because it was green. It was a honeydew.
Oh yeah, it's a honeydew. Why are we saying cantaloupe?
Why are you saying cantaloupe?
Somebody said cantaloupe earlier.
No, you did.
Not on video. When we were talking about coming out here, somebody said it.
Literally you did.
No,
But these are the ones we've ever had, so we wanted to keep the seeds.
Yes.
And they're
Stop
super
moving
easy.
so much. Look at poof, I'm here. Oh my gosh. The camera wasn't on me. I had no idea my wet hair was in my face.
But yeah, that's how the cantaloupe is going. And we have a bunch of bowls here, and we're going to be harvesting some stuff in the greenhouse because it's
Yeah!
Let's
Let's go to the greenhouse. Yes! Shuffle.
Ow. We do some breaking and entering.
Yes. Oh no, we don't mean actually breaking, Pokey. Don't break it. No.
Let's go, break it.
In the meantime, please enjoy this ad of my beautiful birds. Look at them.
Have you ever wanted a pet that does
No.
actually nothing, but it looks
They're
cool
so
doing it?
big, and they're getting all
You
their
should get ducks.
they're getting all their feathers. I'm so proud of them.
She broke it.
She broke.
Oh, there's a spider.
There was a spider, therefore she broke it. Naturally. Oh my gosh, it's
I think it's
falling
broken.
to pieces.
I think it's broken.
I'm gonna have Bunky go in there
It will
because
never
I always,
financially recover from
I
this.
always, oh my gosh, she spilled the cantaloupe seeds. Poor Megan. There's so many
I'm
of
not
them.
going in there alone. I'm not
No.
going in there.
But I don't like going in there because I'm too tall to fit in the
Fat,
window.
go through the window. I'm not
Okay,
going-
you
there's
go in
probably
first.
rat-
I'll go right in after
There's
you.
probably a snake in there.
There's no snakes
You're
in there.
lying.
Do you guys want to help me pick up the cantaloupe?
Sure.
I won't. I'll record you guys doing it.
Oh,
This is the hardest job of the year.
That's so helpful.
Hi, we're turkey.
OMG, where did they go?
Look at the turkey. Hello.
Oh, I think we found them.
You're so beautiful. Okay.
I
Back to the
think
main
we got
event.
them all. Oh wait, no, I found them.
Good job, guys. You got good eyes.
No, I
Notice
don't.
you- notice
Okay,
you.
Pokey has good eyes.
Haha.
And Kayla's got good grabby fingers to find her.
Grabby fingers.
Yes.
The only thing
You
about
guys
her
are
is
seeing
good
her in her
grabby
natural
fingers.
habitat. Look. How did she get behind you so fast? She was literally just on the other side of the pool. I was just watching her. Now she's just a magical turkey. It's kind of scary.
All right, we're good.
Okay.
No, we're not. I still
In the greenhouse. Yeah, put it on the shelf over there. Get in the greenhouse.
Magical.
Get in the greenhouse. It's your punishment.
That's something in my
Oh
eye.
no. What'd you get in
She's
your
in
eye?
her eye. Here, you hold this.
Okay.
Don't drop the cantaloupe.
Okay,
Oh,
give it to me.
okay, there's a big bug. Take that off.
It's just a dead moth.
No, it's
not.
a big bug.
It's just a dead moth.
Okay, Kayla can go in first. I'm literally taller than her anyway.
Yeah, no, I'm not a fan of that either.
Yeah.
Okay, then poke it off.
Yeah, we improvise.
We improvise. With shaky hands.
It's
Why are you screaming? It's just a moth. Oh my gosh.
It's dead. I just don't like it.
This is so funny.
Katie, pick it up. You
I'm
like
not
picking
picking it
up
up.
dead things.
Okay, don't say that. I like picking up dead bugs. Don't say it like that.
I love how Kayla and I need a step stool.
Yeah, I could get in there without the step stool. I just don't like the window part.
I hope you hit your
Yeah,
head.
go Kayla. I'm not going in.
Give me the phone.
Broken and entered.
Broken and
I
entered.
did the break.
And Kayla did the entering.
Give me the phone.
There you go.
So this is super important. But look.
Whoa, it's so
Look it.
warm in here.
Here, let me give you the bowls. So that you can we have many figs. This fig tree is taller than I am.
Taller than me.
Stop talking. I'm coming.
Hey.
And
Hi,
there's
I'm
one.
here with you.
This is like one of those like
This is as far as I'm going in because it really does. It's hard to get in here through the window.
come on, you got this.
No, I'm too tall.
Come on, bestie.
You gotta go knee first.
I do. I really.
Your shoes are horrible.
I love my shoes. They look
They
like
look like a
Ow.
regurgitated.
they look like a goat ate the American flag and then regurgitated it.
Oh, that's gross. So I got 3.
Are we supposed to pick them all with the size?
Yeah.
We're supposed to.
I think just the right ones. It's my turn with the camera now.
I'm barely tall enough to get us in
taller
it.
than everyone.
We
She's
got our
cheating.
fig harvest.
So we got our figs.
Oh,
They
that's
look
a bug.
really good. Scared of a bug. And
Let's try to catch it on camera. I can't.
And the cabbage.
So I forgot where I was going with this, but I think this is the cabbage. There's a couple different kinds here, and you can tell because one's smooth and the other isn't. There's some kale. No, seriously, it's like literally.
No, just the words, just like one's smooth and the other isn't.
This is our kale. We have a lot of kale, so we can use it for greens and beans, which could.
Oh my god. He broke in half.
I love doing that. The for real, this could be our next video. So we got a lot of kale here. There's some kale here in the middle too.
Oh my gosh, that was
Giant
actually
fig
really
tree.
good.
And a
That
fig
was really
thief.
good.
A fig thief. Do you see this?
Fig thief, these are our figs.
Do you see this? There were
Not
more.
thieving.
There were more figs in there, and now
I
they're in
won.
there.
I had one fig and it broke.
You thief.
Oh my gosh. Fig thief, like you no. Hit my shoulder. Are you still recording? You're just trying to make fun of me. Wow, my precious. We have more stuff in Bucky's garden too.
You're like horrifying right down there.
I'm so scary.
You're also so short.
It's the spirit of the season. I got 4 tomatoes.
4.
4. I can make it 3.
No! You're already a thief.
But we have had everything go completely hair. Ooh, what's that?
That was exactly how the entirety of our channel goes.
Oh my gosh. Look at this thing.
Hold on, let me get over there. Don't pick it.
I
Don't.
know, too late. Look at this thing.
I'm falling.
Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? She's falling. She's falling off.
So yeah, we're gonna interview you now. Compared to like where you were at the start of the year, what your hopes for the garden were, where are you now? Like, how did this
Well, I'm in the
go?
garden right
I'm not
now.
done. I'm not done. I'm not done. So like, how did this go compared to like what your hopes for it were?
Well, a lot of unexpected things happened this year, and do I sound interviewy enough?
Yeah, go for it. It's like,
I think as far as the year just went in general, everything was totally out of whack and surprising. We didn't spend nearly as much time in here as we usually do. But even in spite of that, we had a really good year. We had a ton of great beets, a ton of great tomatoes. We had made some really good salsa. We got this little thing right here. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped it. We just had a really good year. We harvested a lot of great seeds, and I'm trying to look like people you see on interviews. And I think in the future there's a lot of promise. I can't think of anything else. I'm totally
so you think it went well?
saying random stuff.
You went well.
It would what?
So you think the year went well?
It would be yes. I think the year went very well. It's very promising.
Okay.
The future of this garden.
Okay, so like follow-up question: if you were to make the garden again next year, what would you hope to achieve?
Well, if I was elected to be the gardener next year again, no, something I would definitely want to change.
Water
is,
your plants.
Yeah, during band season when it wasn't as rainy as we'd have liked it to be, we were not watering nearly enough, and we actually lost a good amount of plants to that.
Look at this.
And
This is desolate.
it's not desolate.
All of these leaves need water.
It still looks better than when we got this property. Oh my gosh!
She's blowing away. Little toothpick in the wind.
Hey. But yeah, I think the garden went really well, and I think one thing we need to do better next year is definitely water more.
Stop it. We're not transitioning.
No, I'm trying to end the video. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.
You want to do it now?
If there is a next one.
Back.
It's fine. The plant wasn't going to do much after
He's
October
sad now.
anyway. He's not.
Look at him. He's sad now.
He's so sad. It's a big pepper though.